Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a cooking video. I had some things that I brought from Japan. There is ramen, so I was thinking that it's a good time for me to cook them. I wait for this moment a lot. I'm not sure I'm having all the ingredients because I just landed home not so long ago, so I haven't go grocery shopping yet, but I think that those ramens are going to be more than enough to fill up my stomach today with some delicious Japanese food. So I hope you like this video. Please send me tips for improving, for not burning the kitchen, and and of course tell me if you like it or no. So here we go. Okay, so what I should do first will be like take this out to see like what is inside and understand how I'm going to prepare myself and prepare the kitchen and the things that I'm going to need. So it's in Japanese, but I'm going to follow what is obvious. So good thing there are kind of images in here. Okay, so 500 ml of water, and then I will have to put the noodles in there, and then I just have to put the seasoning in there. Let's open. Okay, yes. So I have noodles, and then I have the seasoning. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start doing is boiling an egg, because from the picture I can see that I have to use one and then cut it in half. So I will start boiling this water, and then I'm going to start preparing I will use bacon. It's not bacon, it's like guanciale, you know, the real Italian carbonara recipe uses guanciale, which should be the cheek of the pork. It's not bacon, so if you thought that carbonara was made with bacon, then you were wrong. So I'm going to use this. Here's my longly boiling egg. What I don't like about this kitchen is that sometimes it can be a mess. And then I'm boiling the water for the noodles, and waiting my guanciale to get stop being ice so I can fry it. Look at this beauty. Now I need to cut it. I don't know how, so let me think about this, because it's a big block and I cannot use all of it. Maybe just a couple of slices. I will cut that now. They are not so thin. Well, this one is a little bit thin, but these are fine, and I think that 3 is more than enough. So ready for the noodles. Okay, so here I am. Water is boiling. I'm going to put the noodles in water and wait until they are loose so I can put the soup on it. In the meantime, I will fry the bacon. Okay, you see? It's looking good. So excited. How my kitchen is looking. Nice things, and look, I have mushrooms also for making as close as to the picture. I hope it looks good, and it has to taste good. Of course it has. Adding the soup because the noodles are already I think, and I'm going to put this, and I'm going to put it on the that's very thick and nice. If you hear it's the pork frying. I'm not putting oil on anything. I'm just letting it fry in its own fat. Let's call it like this. Okay, this looks great. I'm gonna show you now. I have the soup, and this is almost ready. I'm having a plate in here. I'm having this guy in here. That's very dangerous. So this is a nice ramen plate that I'm going to put the other magical ingredient that is a secret ingredient, and it says to be added before putting everything together. Okay, so I'm adding the secret powder. Okay. Okay guys, so I have the egg. I know that you have a different type of eggs, like it's seasoned and has different color, but this is what I could find or what I can do from Italy, and I'm trying my best. So I'm putting the mushrooms. I don't know how much is enough. I hope that's enough. And then I'm putting the pork belly or the pork cheek. Guys, I'm proud. Look at this. I'm very proud of myself. What do you think? Okay, this was for rice, but it's still seaweed, so I just put a little bit there. I don't think I ruined. I think it's going to be amazing, and I hope you like it, and I hope I enjoy it. And please send me your support if you want to see me cooking again. The final result looks pretty decent, right? And I brought this in Japan, actually with a friend. He was there, and these are very cute. They were waiting for a special moment, and I think today is the time. So it's my first ramen cook with you. And this was Kitchen on Fire with Mira's Kawaii. As you can see, I have a mess in there that I have to clean. So maybe there's a bit about the cleaning part. What do you think? I'm just kidding. I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you have some suggestion and of course you have some comments, I will love to hear from you. Thank you, and buon appetito per me. And how you say it in Japanese when you have to enjoy your food. So for you it's itadakimasu, and talk to you soon. Bye.